Get ready to redefine adventure. More than just a motorhome, this mobile fortress is made for the most daring of journeys. Introducing the 2026 Scania Motorhome. With its strong all-terrain bodywork and heavy-duty Scania truck chassis, this beast looks sturdy from the outside. Because of its massive tires, high ground clearance, and imposing grille featuring the proud Scania insignia, this truck is ready for everything, from desert sands to mountain ranges. But this is more than just athletic prowess. Beneath that menacing exterior is the equally astounding core of the engine. A 13-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine that can be tweaked to produce up to 540 horsepower. Together with a state-of-the-art 6x6 drivetrain, this motorhome offers the torque and grip needed to navigate the world's most remote terrain while maintaining the dependable, smooth performance you would expect from a Scania. The combination of modern technology and strong functionality greets you as soon as you step into the cockpit. The dashboard is a command center, not just a control panel. The fully digital driver display provides all the required information at a glance, from navigation to vehicle diagnostics. In addition to telematics and satellite internet, the central infotainment screen offers a 360-degree visual image of the vehicle's surroundings and has an easy-to-use interface. The driver's seat is a work of art in and of itself, with air suspension, multi-way adjustments, and premium materials to provide maximum comfort on even the longest journeys. As you enter the living space, the decor transforms portable luxury. This is not a little camper. It's a mobile home. Ingenious modular slide-out inventions that enable the living area to be increased at the press of a button are often included into the vast floor plan. Hand-stitched leather couches, solid timber veneers, and handmade cabinetry are high-end amenities that give the cabin a sense of true home excellence. The lounge area's comfortable couches and seats are the perfect spot to relax after a long day of exploring. When it's time to sleep, the bedroom offers a peaceful and comfortable retreat. Usually, a queen-sized bed with a luxurious mattress serves as the main attraction, surrounded by elegant ambient lighting and a plethora of creative storage options, such spacious closets and underbed storage. The room is meant to be calm and quiet, giving you a place to relax and recharge before carrying on with your journey. Unexpectedly, the bathroom is a luxurious retreat. The days of shower cubicles with little plastic walls are over. This large wet bath features a rainfall shower, high-end fixtures, and lots of room. The toilet is porcelain, and the sink area includes solid surface worktops and enough storage. It's a spa-like experience you would expect from a 5-star hotel, not a vehicle built for international travel. Finally, the design of the kitchen is geared at the aspiring gourmet. It is fully equipped with top-of-the-line equipment, including a full-sized refrigerator and freezer, a multi-burner induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven. The countertops are composed of a premium, long-lasting material, and the custom cabinets provide all the storage you need for extended trips. With this kitchen's serious culinary design, you can prepare restaurant-quality meals wherever you are in the world.